Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to subscribe and use a promo or discount code in Helium 10. It's super easy. Please follow the steps that I'm showing you in this video. So, if you're not logged in or signed in, then go to the main page of Helium 10. This is the main page of Helium 10. Now, there are so many options. There are 5 options you can see above: tools, pricing, resources, blog, and about. You have to click on pricing. After you clicked on pricing, you can see the prices of the packages that Helium 10 is providing us. There is starter, there's platinum, there's diamond. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the features that we are getting for platinum, diamond, and starter. And you can see the advantages of getting diamond, the advantages of getting platinum. Now, if you scroll up, you can see we have this box right here: save up to 25% if you are willing to pay annually. If you don't want to pay annually, just select this option. You can see that the price changed to $40. Now we are going to use a discount code or coupon code which will give us 50% discount. Here we go. We have BHDesk50 for 50% discount for first time subscription. You can use BHDesk50 if this is your first time subscribing to Helium 10. After 1 month, when you have to renew it, you can use BHDesk10 and it will give you 10% discount, and you can use it for a lifetime. BHDesk50, you can use it for your first time subscribing to Helium 10. Since this is our first time, you are going to select BHDesk50, and after you copy your code, paste it, and click on apply, you can see that the price changed a lot. It changed to $20, $15, and $125. It was $40 before, now it's $20. Now it kind of depends on you which one you prefer, which is your requirement. You can select starter, platinum, or diamond. Since this is our first time, we are just going to click on starter and click on buy now. After we clicked on buy now, we have this page. If you don't have an Helium 10 account, then you have to create one, and then you have to give your card details, your expiry date, your CVV number, etc., whatever information it requires. Now I'm going to show you different method now. If you have one Helium account, if you have a Helium account, go to your dashboard. You can see that this is the dashboard of your account. Now click on upgrade right here. After clicking on upgrade, we have this option: starter, platinum, and diamond, and above we can see enter coupon code. Now since we said that this is our first time, we are going to use BHDesk50, and if it's your second time or your third time or fourth time, you can use BHDesk10 and get 10% discount. Click on apply. Now you can see that the price changed to 19.5, 49.5, and 124.5. Now whichever you prefer, you can just click on subscribe. I prefer the platinum, but for now we are going to click on starter. After clicking the starter, you have to give your credit card details. Like this is you have to give your card number, the name, the expiry date, the CVV code, and even your country of residence. Now I'm just going to fill up this information. After you gave your bank details, now just click on complete payments right here. you can see that we have that option, payment successful. Now we gave $20 and got our starter price and also got a discount. Here you go, we have this message which says payment successful, and we had that coupon which reduced our price a lot by 50%. Now we are just going to click on OK right here. Now you can follow the steps that I showed you and get that same discount. I hope this video helped you and helped you to get your own package which is suitable for you with a discount. Thanks for watching.